Welcome back to my YouTube channel today. The Lamborghini Gallardo is a mid-engine sports car produced by Lamborghini from 2003 to 2013. It was the brand's most successful model at the time, selling over 14,000 units before being succeeded by the Lamborghini Huracan and in 2014. Below is a detailed breakdown of the Gallardo covering its generations, specifications, performance variants and other details. Lamborghini Gallardo. Manufacturer Automobili Lamborghini. Production, 2003-2013. Sports car. Body style 2-door coupe tilde copyright Spider convertible. Layout mid-engine rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. Designer Luke Donkerwolk. Engine performance first generation engine 5.0 liters V10 power output 493 523 horsepower to work 510 520 Nm transmission 6-speed manual 6-speed gear, automated manual, acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour 4.0 seconds top speed 192 miles per hour. 309 km per hour, drive type all-wheel drive, AWD, second generation, 2008-2013, ALP models engine 5. 2 liters V10, direct injection, power output 542 570 horsepower, depending on variant, torque 540 550 Nm transmission 6-speed manual 6-speed gear, automated manual, acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour 3.7 seconds top speed, tilde 202 miles per hour, 325 kilometers per hour, drive type AWD, some variants had RWD. Variants special editions. Standard models. Gallardo. 2003-2008, a first generation with a 5.0 liters V10 and AWD Gallardo LP 564, 2008-2013, a updated version with a 5.2 liters V10, 560 horsepower, AWD high-performance versions. Gallardo LP 574 Superleggera, 2010-2013, lightweight, track-focused version weight reduced by tilde 70 kilograms, 154 pounds 570 horsepower, AWD Gallardo LP 574 Spider Performant, 2011-2013, convertible version of the Superleggera rear-wheel drive versions Gallardo LP 552 Valentino Bulbo.